What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in to another video. We are on our way right now to Walmart. We got to pick up some stuff during this time of what will we call it, lockdown. All right, folks, so we just arrived here at Walmart. The wife has gone in to get some stuff. As you can see, we'll turn this around. That guy can't park, that's for sure. We obviously see that now. He can't park. Now what's he gonna do? Anyways, but you can see over there that Walmart, he decided not to park there. See, whenever I'm driving my truck, I always back in, because it is a lot easier to back in than it is to pull in somewhere and then back out, right? That's common sense of driving. You know, unless you can't back up, right? But today they make it so easy with these cameras, right? Like, I don't know, most people can back up, but I don't know. I learned that a long time ago, never to back into a stall. And one of the main reasons is because people use parking lots like racetracks, right? So you could be backing out and they'll plow into the side of you if you're not, you know, paying attention and can't see them. They'll come down the alleyway or the aisle and plow right into you, and next thing you know, your car's fucking destroyed. And you know, one thing about a parking lot is it's 50-50, right? So, but that's still is, you know, you're destroying your vehicle. And then you gotta look at that jackass that caused the whole situation, right? I said to the wife, I said, I wish I had $2,000 in the bank right now. I'd just go travel. I'd travel across Canada to pass up the time to get the hell away from all everything being shut down, right? Like, I'd head for the country, Darren. Yeah, he's probably like watching this, folks. He's a buddy of mine, best friend, brothers kind of deal. We call each other brothers. Grew up together. But yeah, I'd head for the country, man. All right, folks. So the wife came out of Walmart. She got some snacks for us to have tonight. We'll probably rent another movie, I guess, maybe.
Sure.
Yeah, and well, I better get going before someone gets mad at me for being parked at a green light. Now we're gonna go over here to Tim Hortons, grab a coffee, and then we're gonna go for a drive, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the dollar store for cotton candy.
Oh, dollar store for cotton candy.
For that spoiled little boy back there.
Yeah.
He didn't do his homework.
Look, folks, there's my CRV, or Honda Civic.
You guys aren't allowed to go in.
Soon enough, I'll have her all fixed up and we'll be driving her. All right, folks, so we went to Tim Hortons to get our coffee, and we sat there for like 5 fucking minutes waiting to get our coffee. And I just said, you know what, fuck this. I'm sitting in the drive-thru, like I'm at the window waiting, right? And literally 5 minutes, I said, you know what, if it's taking that long to make my coffee, right, chances are it's going to taste like shit. And I drove away. So now we're over at the dollar store. The wife had to go in there and get something in the dollar store. Cotton candy, right? I think that's what she was getting. I don't know. I don't even know if you can get cotton candy in the dollar store, but if you can, well then you can. I don't know. So anyways, with that said, I didn't end up getting my coffee. I said to hell with it. I will get it at the other place where I love getting my coffee, because it's always good every time I get it there. Every time I go to that Tim Hortons, it's good. So, and basically it's gas station Tim Hortons, which is the best in my opinion, because they're always open at Christmas Day too, and every other, they're open like constantly. They're always open, right? All right, folks, so back home, I got the young fella in my hands here. They are over there eating cotton candy that came from the dollar store. So anybody wondering? Yes, you can buy cotton candy from the dollar store, folks. But with that said, that's going to be a wrap for today. We'll catch you all in the morning. It is the next day, and we are heading to go get coffee again, and we got to go do some other things. So with that said, I'm going to get the truck started. All right, folks, we made it to the truck. We are heading right now. I guess we're going to Tim Hortons and then the Shoppers. I guess that's where we're heading. I don't know. It's pretty quiet out. Like I just left my house here, and I'm gonna show you right here where that car wash is, and it's closed. I thought it'd be open, but no, they closed. I guess they don't really need the money. Right here, see, doesn't have the open sign on, so unfortunately won't be getting no car wash done. I mean, that's the one that they turn on the pump and you just pay per minute, right? So, not that I really care, but it was close enough to wash the other car. Well, I will swing down here to my Tim Hortons, grab a coffee, and then we'll swing over to Shoppers.
Sure.
And we just got to Shoppers here, and the wife went in to get some makeup, I guess.
That's it.
That's what she went in for, buddy. I know. It's sad, isn't it? That's sad, huh?
It's disgusting.
Huh? Yeah, it's disgusting, yeah.
My brother tries to put it on sometimes.
I'll make her feel good today and tell her, you know, a little later, when she gets back in, I'll say, I don't know why you bought that anyways. You don't need that stuff to look good. Make her feel good, and, you know, the comment that we always use, and you guys know what I'm talking about. You know it, right? I mean, I'm not lying, but, you know, we use that to, maybe she won't be mad for the afternoon. Okay, folks, so, the wife came out of Shoppers, and I sent her over to get me some beer at the beer store.
Beer silvers.
Oh, she went and got herself wine. That wasn't a deal. How is that fair? She gets makeup and wine. I only get beer. Huh? Tell me now, how is that fair? You get makeup and wine. I only get beer. So I guess I get pizza tonight too.
Okay.
All right, so we are off to Dollar Store, I guess now, and we will get some stuff at the Dollar Store. Oh, shit, I guess I can still go this way.
There's a new dollar store down this way. Do you want to go to that one?
No, just go to
You
the
guys
one.
can't go in.
Just go to the one over here.
I didn't like that one. They didn't have enough toys for me to buy anything.
All
for
right,
the
fine.
kids. I mean, it's not like we got any plans.
Yeah.
Woo! Dave, we need a flower. This is fun. I'm so excited. I see you.
Yeah, you're so excited? I'm so excited too. I'm gonna drink those 8 beer like they were water. All right, folks, so we made it to the Dollar Store, and the wife has gone in there now to get some Dollar Store toys for the kids, I believe. Swords or something.
I want swords.
Is that what you wanted?
No, I don't want swords.
You don't want swords?
I do.
What did you want? What did you want?
A sword.
You wanted a sword. What did you want?
Book.
A book? What kind of book?
I don't know what book.
You just want a book. You don't care what one it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
That might not be that fun.
Oh, I see what this
Huh?
is now. It will be fun.
Will it be fun?
Yes.
Oh,
So
okay.
I can back the camera and tell all the YouTubers to shut off.
Oh, okay. What about you, Caden? What do you say?
Nothing.
You just gonna tear that bag all up?
Ooh.
Make more of a mess in Daddy's truck? Huh? Anyways, there you have it, folks. We got one that doesn't care. He just wants a book. Doesn't matter what kind of book. And the other wants a sword and tear up that bag all over the back of my truck. So we are here at the Dollar Store. I wonder what they got here. Is this part of the Dollar Store or is this another store or something? I don't know. I wonder. I don't know. If you're looking for a store, a retail store to open some kind of retail spot, there you go. There's one. This is in Millwoods here, just at the bottom of 17. South on 17 at the bottom here in Millwoods. Yes, sir. And you can live in these here places.
Boring.
Yeah, you're telling me, bud. I would never live in one of those. I would never live in a condo like that or apartment building like that. I don't know. People go and they spend all this money on condos and they're like, oh, well, you know, I don't have to do this. I don't have to do that. But you got no goddamn privacy, man. Like, owning your own home is the whole idea of the world, right? Who wants to pay $350,000 for a condo, right?
It's a condo.
Basically, that's what they are, buddy. Well, they're apartment buildings, right? See these ones over here, though? Over there? They're probably condos. Because they're more fancier. They have glass on the back patio, right? But that's all a condo is. It's basically just an apartment, right? You know, it's weird. They call apartments condos, and you basically you pay a fee, right? You pay a condo fee. Basically, if anything breaks, they come in and they fix it. You know, like it has its features, but I don't know. Like if something broke, I'd just fix it myself, man. Like, you know, or you know, you're gonna spend $350,000. I mean, why not spend it on a house that, you know, like.
You got privacy.
I don't know, like. You know, yeah, you might have underground parking and stuff, but.
Still cool.
I would never own one. The fact that, you know, like I have no privacy, like literally, like, you know, you go out on your back deck, everybody could see you, right? Like, there's no fencing or nothing. That's just not for me. Not for me. I prefer a house where, you know, I can have that privacy. But, you know, at the same time, when I do go get my house that eventually I'm gonna get, it's not gonna be it's gonna be a nice house, right? Because it's gonna be my life. Then I'm gonna be living in that for my rest of my life. So
that'll be actually a good idea. I could have lots of cars in my parking lot.
Yeah. Lots of cars on your parking lot, but that's the thing, bud. You in a condo, you have to pay for every parking stall. Right? Like, there's features to having a condo. You know, like less repairs. You don't have to mow the grass, nothing. But there is a lot of things that you do have to do, right? Like, you know, like you can't change anything in your house without getting permission from the condo board. So, say you want to upgrade your bathroom to something, it has to go through the condo board in order to do it. Like, you can't just go and do stuff, right? And that's
I'm not buying a condo.
You know, no, exactly. I would never buy a condo. Never. Never. Buy a house where I can do all the work myself.
I still don't think I want to get a big house.
8-pack of beer for me for tonight. Anyways, the wife's still in there. When she comes out, we're heading into here. We'll see you, man. Alright, folks, so I'm back home. I started to do the editing and realized I didn't have an ending to the video. So with that said, I thank you for watching another video. If you like this video, please give it that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It helps me out with getting more views and stuff on the channel. And I'll be able to make better content in the future. For every thumb up and subscriber I get, it helps out the channel. So y'all have a good day. We'll see you on the next one.